Yo, what's going on, everyone? How's everyone doing tonight? I gotta make sure the chat's actually showing up. I think the chat shows up there. Oh, it's so weird. It's reversed. No, it's not. I'm stupid. Ignore me. Oh my god. Let's see. Badcop Games. I suck at programming. Yeah, we're gonna pin that message because I will be racing Badcop Games tonight. So I'm pinning that message in the YouTube chat. I am also streaming over at Twitch. Yeah, what up, Ash? How you doing? Yo, what's up? Oh, thank you for the Prime subscription. Exalted Cthulhu. What a cool name. That's awesome. Backup says, oh, the Twitch latency is lower. Dude, the Twitch latency is like next to nothing. The Twitch latency is fantastic. The YouTube has like a higher bit rate in my experience, but the Twitch latency is just incredible. Let's see. Hey everyone, this guy's name's Dave and I suck at programming. Yo, what's up, Lawrence Forces? Hey, I recognize your name from the Discord. Welcome. You should do at Badcop in the Twitch title. Okay, will do. Let me update the Twitch title. Yo, Archangel, what's up? Hey, dude, first time seeing you live. It's my first time live in like months, so yeah, that makes sense. Yo, what's up, Alka? First time chat. Welcome, welcome. Don't forget my last name underscore. Yo, get out of here. That's so dumb. Let's see. How do I do that? Edit title. Advent of Code 2025 Racing at Badcop underscore. And there we go. Got it. And then done. And it just updates, right? Like, I think that's how Twitch works. I don't know. I'm not the most Twitch enabled person. I don't know how to finish that sentence. Okay, I'll call you in a few. I'm fixing my script. Okay, awesome. Yeah, for anyone just joining right now, I'm just getting started. We're just getting situated. I will be doing Advent of Code 2025. It is a series of like coding and programming challenges. It's super fun. I did it all last year and I did it all in Bash, of course. So there's playlists on my YouTube channel. You can go watch. The actual VODs are up if you want to watch the whole stream, or you can watch the playlist of like edited content where I cut out the parts where I like walk away and go make hot chocolate and just kind of talk with chat and stuff. So yeah, go check it out. But we'll be doing 2025, and to kick things off, the puzzles drop at midnight Eastern time. That is in 13 minutes from now. So that's why I'm getting started early to kind of get things going. I will be racing the world famous Badcop. She's been on the channel before. I've raced her before, and we're gonna see who can do this first. We raced last year. I crushed her on some puzzles. She crushed me on some puzzles. I'm pretty sure she ended up winning overall more puzzles, but we're gonna see. So yeah, we're gonna race this year's. Now, day one has been notorious for kind of being, I don't want to say easy, but easier than some of the puzzles. So we're gonna see if that holds true in 2025. So hopefully I won't be streaming too late, or if I am, I say hopefully, it's still a ton of fun. I love doing these puzzles, man. These puzzles are so much fun. I love Advent of Code. So yeah, welcome everybody. We're gonna get started pretty soon here. So I'll wait for people to sort of like file in. Also, I haven't streamed in a while, but this is my recording setup, so let me know how my audio sounds like. Let me know if things sound good, bad, blah, 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 etc. Yo, another first-time chatter in Twitch. Yo, welcome, welcome. So yeah, welcome everybody. Ash is 2 hours. Who are you again? It's been like a year since I've been here. Well, you know what? It's about to be another year after this Advent of Code. Unless I become a full-time streamer. Wouldn't that be fun? Imagine if I quit my job and I just became like a streamer. Then I just cut up stream content and put it on YouTube. Because when I record YouTube content, it's right here. I just sit at the same setup. The only difference is now I'm like chilling on stream. It sounds very good. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. I have a question. Ask away. Let's see. You should then. I'd also have a full-time job modding. Oh yeah, mods make like a good amount of money, right? Like I'm definitely paying you, right? And don't worry, anybody who is new here, so anyone joining me in the YouTube chat who's never watched me stream before, we do something really exciting and really special here. So if you're only used to my YouTube videos, you've probably never seen this. But let me see. Let me see if I can pull it up. Check this out. You ready? Look at that. You got the rare desk view. So when I get bored or frustrated, I bust this out and then sort of... There we go. So we'll be busting that out periodically. Probably not too much this time because I'll just be racing back up. I'll be locked in. We'll be in a code mode. But yeah, I just want to let you know that's there. Let's see. What is the roadmap to learn Bash to 0 to a pro? I don't know. My honest answer is I don't know. A lot of people ask me for roadmaps, and I always thought that was like a generic term, but I think they're like referring to like something specific, or people give out roadmaps or whatever. I don't have a good answer to that. I will tell you this, because you're in my YouTube chat, so you probably don't know this. I talk about this on Instagram a lot. I am working on a Bash course, and that will be released in the next couple of weeks. But it's not like you go to a website, you pay money, and you go through like little modules and stuff like that. No. It's going to be a YouTube video. I'm going to be releasing a YouTube video called my like definitive Bash guide, like Dave's Bash guide from beginner to very advanced topics. It's just me working on it, so I can't say it's perfect, but it will be free. It will be on this YouTube channel, and it will be out before the end of the year. So it's going to be December 1st very soon. So that means it's coming out in the next 30 days. So I have 9.5 hours of unedited content. I've pared it down almost. I'm almost finished editing it. I'm going to get it down to about 7 hours. So it's going to be a 7-hour long video completely for free on YouTube that I'm releasing with a whole bunch of Bash stuff in it. So that is my gift to all of you that I don't like charging for educational content. So you get to reap the benefits of that. Thanks a lot, dude. Yeah, no problem. Thank you for the question. I appreciate it. Glad to have you back. So enjoyed last year's. Do you think it's fair to follow along then solve myself in a different language, likely Swift? I will tell you this. First of all, thank you. Appreciate it. I'm glad you were here and you got to see it last year. That's a lot of fun. And I'm happy to be back. I love streaming. It is a ton of fun. If you follow along, you will spoil a lot of it because you'll get to hear my problem solving techniques and you'll get to come up with a solution. If you're trying to like learn a different language, it might be useful to know how to already do it. But yeah, I would recommend if you want to do this on your own and you want the fun of solving a puzzle, don't watch this. Like, I would love for you to watch my content, but don't watch this right now. Go tune off and do it yourself if you want to, because you will spoil some certain things. That's my only recommendation. Like, I wouldn't watch anyone else do this puzzle before I attempted it because it wouldn't be fun for me. That's my recommendation. Let's see. Sick, thanks. Yeah, you got it. Best Christmas present is a Bash course from Dave. You're amazing. Yo, I appreciate it. Thank you. That's awesome. Yeah, it's been a ton of fun. I recorded 9.5 hours of raw footage over 3 days. I was tired, man. My voice was hoarse at the end of it. And now I've been editing it for the last like 3 days. So I only have 1 hour left of unedited footage to go through. Cut out the dead air, cut out the mistakes, stuff like that. There's not many of them. Luckily, I'm pretty good at this. Not trying to toot my own horn. I talk in front of a camera a lot. I got pretty good at it. So it'll be fun. It'll be awesome. And I'll be making a big stink about it. I'll be putting the website up. It'll be completely free. There will be a paid version. There's no extra content. What that means is I'll set up a link where you could pay $10 USD and download the DRM free video file so you can have the MP4 file yourself. So if you like to have it on your own servers or send it to your own machines or play it on your own device without ads, you will be able to pay for it, but you don't have to. It's on YouTube. It will be on YouTube and it'll be completely free. So yeah, appreciate it. Was wondering what AOC stood for. LOL, Advent of Code makes sense. Yeah. Advent of Code. That is what it is. I stopped avoiding spoilers last year, and honestly, I'm pretty fine with it. I still end up having to do enough problem solving to make it worth my while to do. Yeah, that's true. It depends on, I guess, what you mean by a spoiler, or what I mean by a spoiler. I should be more consistent with that, because if I'm just like spoiling that Santa's going to the North Pole, I haven't ruined much of the actual like programming stuff. But if I've spoiled that this is the specific tree structure you might want to look for, that might be considered a spoiler. So, you know, things like that. It's already December 1st. Yeah, maybe if I live somewhere else, I still have 6 more minutes to go. Let's see. I'm messaging Badcop right now because we will be racing, so we will have to like check our audio levels and stuff to make sure everything's good. I'm gonna have her coming out of here so I don't feed back into the microphone. And yeah. All right, hold on. Yo, what up? Hello. Okay. Gotcha. You're already streaming, right? Okay, cool. I am streaming as well. All right, so my chat, I'm gonna unmute her audio, and you guys let me know if it's too loud or too quiet. Because I can't have her louder than me. It's unacceptable.
There was some clipboard? Wait.
I'm getting comments like,
put
you
it
look
into
like
the
Hagrid.
clipboard in a really fucked up way. Yeah. I forgot about this. There's a comment here. Okay. That'll probably still work, maybe. I think it's using, let's see. Sorry, I'm talking to my chat.
No, you're good. I'm gonna mute you real quick while I talk to my chat. Or
Yeah, I
mute
should
myself
just mute
talking to you.
myself.
All right, chat, how was that? Did she sound fine? I'm gonna assume that your comment saying seems fine is letting me know that her audio is good. Like I don't want it to be too loud, too quiet, etc. Stuff like that. So let me know if that's good. You look like Hagrid. Appreciate it. I just found you the other day. You're very interesting. I am 70, been working on computers, Linux, Windows, Unix for the past 40 years. I learned something new tonight watching one of your videos. Dude, amazing. That I am so happy to hear that. That is incredible. Oh my God. That is like one of the coolest things I can hear. I love having like, there are people that come in my like chat and stuff that come in my comments and they're like fresh out of high school and they're learning stuff from me. And now there's someone who's 70 learning from something like that's amazing. That's amazing. She sounded great. Thank you. Appreciate it. Let's see. Sounds good. Oh my God. Thank you, Twitch chat. You guys are awesome. Sounded perfect. Heck yeah. Let's go. Hey Dave, I enjoy your videos on the YouTubes. Thanks for making Bash fun. Yo, appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go ahead and switch the layout right now, and let's see how this looks. There we go. Okay, we got the chat up here. We got the browser over here. So this is last year's Advent of Code. As you can see, I got all 25 days done, which was awesome. Let me just go ahead and make sure if I turn off Safari, the terminal should be there. Okay, that looks good. And we are going to race this. So I normally like to spend time and kind of go like, I like to like read the whole puzzle and really get into it and all that stuff. Hold on, I'm fighting with a window over here. You guys can't see. I really like to go slow and get into it. But with this, we are in a race. So I am going to kind of go a little bit fast through this puzzle. So I apologize. This is your first time watching me do this. I'm going to be speedy over here, but it'll be fun. Let's see. Didn't you say you were going to post an announcements when you were live, or I'm just pulling that? No, you are completely right. I should do that. Thank you. I'm bad at Discord. So thank you for saying that to me. I am live on both YouTube and Twitch. https://ychap.sh/YouTube and https://ysap.sh/Twitch respectively. There we go. So thank you for reminding me, because I am just stupid and would have forgotten. That's legit. So I appreciate it. Let's see. Suggest some books for Bash. Not right now, because I'm about to start a race in the next 2 minutes. I apologize. Hey, from Brazil. Yo, what up? Yeah, hop over to Twitch, YouTube, whatever you want. I will edit these VODs and make them nice. So if you just care about Advent of Code, then it will... there'll be final YouTube videos at the end. Dave, I suck at programming. Happy trails. Yo. It's all good. Is my chat showing up on my interface? Hold on. Hey, yes, I am here. I am ready. Oh my God, we have 1 minute, don't we? I have the website open and I have it on last year's one. All right, how do I do this? Oh, 42. Okay. Yeah, good luck to you. What'd you say? Yes. Oh, yeah. Core utils are definitely allowed. I wouldn't just completely ban that on you. Oh my God. Just throw that on you right now. Yeah. PHP, no, absolutely not. Node.js, maybe. Oh, God. You know what? I'll let you shell it to Perl as long as it's a one-liner. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Oh, man. Is it going to refresh? Oh, they told me they currently cannot hear Badcop. Thank you. Sorry, guys. I'm stupid at this streaming thing.
All right, to you.
All right, let's do it. All right, mutant. See ya. Good luck. Okay, now you won't be able to hear, but thank you. I had it turned off on OBS. Also, let me know if my YouTube and Twitch chat are showing up my UI. We got to lock in. Day 1, secret entrance. The elves have good news and bad news. The good news is that they discovered project management. This has given them tools they need to prevent their usual Christmas emergency. For example, they now know the North Pole decorations need to be finished soon so the other critical tasks can start on time. Awesome. The bad news is that they've realized they have different emergency. According to their resource planning, none of them have any time left to decorate the North Pole. Oh no! To save Christmas, the elves need you to finish decorating the North Pole by December 12th. All right, we're on. Collect stars by solving puzzles. 2 puzzles will be made available on each day. The second puzzle is unlocked when you complete the first. Each puzzle grants 1 star. Good luck. You arrive at the secret entrance of the North Pole base ready to start decorating. Unfortunately, the password seems to have changed, so you can't get in. A document taped to the wall helpfully explains this. Okay, cool. Let's see. Due to the new security protocols, the password is locked in the safe below. Please see the attached document for the new combination. Awesome. The safe has a dial with only an arrow on it. Around the dial are the numbers 0 through 99 in order. The safe has a dial with only an arrow on it. Okay. Around the dial are numbers 0 through 99 in order. As you turn the dial, it makes a small click noise as it reaches each number. Okay. That makes sense. The attached document, your puzzle input, contains a sequence of rotations, 1 per line, which tells you how to open the safe. A rotation starts with an L or R, which indicates left or right. Left towards lower numbers, right towards higher numbers. Then the rotation has a distance value, which indicates how many clicks the dial should be rotated. So if the dial were pointing at 11, a rotation of R8 would dial to 19. After that, a rotation of L19 would cause it to point to 0. Because the dial is a circle, turning the left dial from 0, 1 click makes it 99. Similarly, okay, this is just subtraction addition, right? So if the dial were pointing at 5, a rotation of L10 would cause it to point at 95. After that, a rotation of R5 would cause it to point at 0. Cool. You could follow the instructions, but your recent required official North Pole secret entrance security training seminar taught you that the safe is actually a decoy. The actual password is the number of times the dial is left pointing at 0 after any rotation in the sequence. Okay, interesting. For example, suppose the attached document contains the following: L68, L30. Follow these rotations would cause the dial to move as follows. The dial starts pointing at 50. How do we know it points at 50? Did it say that it starts pointing at 50 always? The dial starts by pointing at 50. Hey, look at that. Reading comprehension. Dial starts pointing at 50, points at R48, which makes it point at 0. Every time it points at 0, you add that up. Analyze the rotations in your attached document. What's the actual password to open the door? To begin, get the puzzle. Okay, well, this is easy. Let's go ahead and take this example input from the website, and we're going to copy it over into our terminal. And I'm going to actually share that to you guys. So I've made a directory here, as you can see. So let's do example.txt. Sorry, I can't read the chat too much, but let's see. Dave, you should also put the YouTube chat there. The YouTube chat should be showing up on screen. If the YouTube chat is not showing up on screen, then something is broken, and I apologize, but I'm too locked in now to fix it. So it's unfortunate that I'm realizing it now. Real input.txt. I'm going to go ahead and unshare for this because you're not supposed to share this at all. Get the puzzle input, opening it up, copy, go over here, paste it. Oh boy, that's a lot. Move example to example input.txt. I know you can't see it, and pull it back up. Awesome. So our example input looks like that, and that's what we have to do. So let's make a script called, I don't know, part 1, whatever. We're just going to call it part 1. I'm not good at names. User bin env bash, save that, chmod +x, part 1, vim part 1. Go down here. Dial is equal to 50 while read -r line do done, and we will echo $line. You can't see any of this. I am so sorry. I'm just saying all this stuff out loud, and you guys can't even see the terminal. Oh man, I am such a good streamer. Let me take a quick little break just because I got to clear my head. I already screwed up. So here's what I have. Dial equals 50, while read -r line, echo line, so we can cat the example input into our part 1, and then we can run this. Cool. Yo, what's up, Wishmaster? How you doing? So we have this. We have the letter and we have the number. So we can substring it really easily. We can say direction equals line substring at spot 0 for 1 character. And we can have amount equals line substring from 1 going all the way to the end. So that means we have direction and amount now. So if we run that, we have the direction and the amount. That's awesome. Let's do case direction if the direction is L, then we subtract. So we do dial minus equal amount. Let's see. And then if dial is less than 0, then dial plus equal 100. There's probably a cleaner way to do this. And then we can close that. So let's see. Let me go down here. Make this right. Because it's not L, it's going to be R. Dial will be plus equal to amount. If the dial is greater than or equal to 100, then we need to do a minus equal on that. And then we do the ESAC. And then we need to check if dial equal 0, then accumulator plus plus. Now we haven't made an accumulator variable, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's say accum equals 0. Then we'll echo number of zeros is accum. And that should be it. Like, I don't think there's anything else here. So we have number of zeros is 3. If we go back to our web browser, the password for the example one is 3. We're doing this really fast. So let's cat the real input and pipe it into part 1. The number of zeros is 294. So moment of truth, let's pull up the browser. What did I say? It was 294. 294, enter, and that's not the right answer. Okay, that's not great. If you're stuck, make sure you're using the full input data. There are also some general tips in the About page. Okay, well, we got that one wrong, but let's figure out what's going on. Let's see. Sorry, in the YouTube chat, I can't answer your question right now. I am locked in on this. Yeah, if you want to lurk, it's all good, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you for stopping by. How was this not right?
All right, I've got a star.
Do you really? Oh my god.
Yeah.
I just ran through what I thought would work and it didn't work. So I am at a loss here, but congratulations. That's amazing.
And it uses TR.
Oh, does it really? Oh my god, that's so funny.
I had
Oh,
to sneak
man.
one core util in there. I mean, it's probably more sense to just do it with only bash for this one.
Yeah, this one seems like very simple. I'm so mad now because I probably just have like a really stupid bug, but I mean, that's just how it goes, isn't it?
That is how it goes.
Oh man.
I think I probably could guess what your bug is without even seeing what you're doing.
Are you serious? Did you run into a bug with yours or no?
No, well, maybe. Kind of.
Okay. Oh,
I'm
man.
not, no spoilers.
Okay, yeah, no spoilers. That's fine. I mean,
I'll tell you later. I'm
Yeah.
gonna do part 2.
Yeah, exactly. Jump in there. Go do part 2. All right, good luck. Oh, man, she's crushing me, guys. What am I doing here? So I must have a bug somewhere in this code, which is a shame because the example input seems to work just fine. I wonder what's happening here. Let's do the real input again. Pipe it to less so we can see what's going on here. Yeah, I don't know about this one. Direction amount, echo direction amount, case direction. Let's just do this. We'll put a default case here and exit 1 in case something's wrong. Although I doubt it's wrong. Can it just be a 0? Yo, what's up, NMBB? Can the real input just be a 0? It can't. Okay. So, that's super weird. 294. Was it 293 before? 294. That's not the right answer. Okay. I'm doing something wrong here. Turning the dial from the left to 0, one click makes it move to 99. Similarly, turning the dial right from 99, one click makes it 0. So if the dial were pointing at 5, rotation at L10 would cause it to be 95. This is so easy. Like, the number of times the dial is left pointing at 0 after any rotation in the sequence. Did I not get... I'm just going to try and get the puzzle input again because something's weird here. There's no way I did this part wrong, but, you know, let's just double check. Okay, I actually know what the problem is. Because I saw the real input coming in there, I know exactly what the real problem is. The problem is that there isn't, I have the if statement here. This needs to be a while statement because some of the amounts are above 100. So they want me to rotate a bunch of times, not just once. So that's what the problem is. So I need to say while the dial is greater than 100, I need to subtract from 100 from it and make sure that it works. So I'm going to get a different number here. 1158. That's exactly what the problem is. This is going to be right. That's the right answer. You got 1 gold star closer to decorating the North Pole. Let's go. Part 2. Oh my god, I got it. I got the star, and it was a stupid error, and you probably already know what it is. Yep, I only checked. I only checked once if it was over 100, not while loop. I had an if statement instead of a while loop, so some of those turns were way over 100.
Yeah, and I think I see why now that I'm reading part 2.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fun.
I wasted a lot of time during the reading of part 2, so I haven't even started yet.
Oh,
so you have a chance.
Oh man! All right, here I go. Grok, analyze this. No, I'm just kidding.
No.
All right. All right, no AI, guys. Although, yeah. All right, let's do this. Lock in. All right, see ya. Good luck. All right. Nice, great job. Yo, thank you. Appreciate it, everyone. Sorry I'm not super active. Normally I'd be talking to the chat and stuff, but for these races, I can't do this. I probably won't race every one of the Advent of Codes because I do like to just hang out with chat sometimes. So we'll see. What was I doing? Part 2. You're sure that's the right password, but the door won't open. You knock, but nobody answers. You build a snowman while you think, oh, that's cute. As you're rolling the snowballs for your snowman, you find another security document that must have fallen into the snow. Due to the new security protocols, please use password method OX and then giant hex string until further notice. You remember that the training seminar that the method, giant hex string, means you're actually supposed to count the number of times any click causes the dial to point to 0. Oh, darn. Regardless of whether it happens during a rotation or at the end of one. Following the same rotation as the one above, the dial points at this, the dial points at this. In the example, the dial points at 0 3 times at the end of a rotation, plus 3 more times during a rotation. So in this example, the new password would be 6. Be careful, if the dial were pointing at 50, a single rotation like R1000 would cause the dial to point at 0 10 times before returning back to 50. Okay. This seems doable. This seems really doable. I understand exactly what's going on. So in the example input, I should get 6 instead of 3. I actually think this is going to be easy. Famous last words. While the dial is less than 0 and we had to add a 100 to it, then we just do a cum plus, right? And then while it's this, we have to do a cum plus. I think that's all we have to do because that's every time we had to just do it. So if we cat the example input into part 1, we get 9. That is not right. So there's still something a little bit weird here, but we'll have to figure out what's going on here. So let's see. Because I should be getting, according to the website, it says in this new example, the password would be 6. I might be double accounting something, which is totally possible. Yeah, let's see. So the dial minus equal amount, while it's less than 0, while we have to do this basically unrotation thing, we have to hit the accumulator, then we have to hit the accumulator. Oh, great, I'm back in that situation where I think that this should work. So let's go ahead and do some debugging here. Echo, direction, amount, current equals dial, or before dial, we'll call it that. So we'll do that. and then we'll say echo had to compensate L, and then we'll do had to compensate R, and then we'll echo landed on 0. Okay, cool. Yo, Eric, what's up? Welcome. Oh my God. We have a celebrity in the Twitch chat right now. We have the creator of Advent of Code right here. Thank you so much for your puzzles. You are awesome, man. You are incredible. I read your whole post on why it's 12 days and everything. And listen, man, the fact that you've done it for 10 years is more than enough. Like, you have absolutely done more than enough. I am thankful for any puzzle you create. Thank you so much. This is awesome. I'm in the middle of a race right now, so I can't dedicate as much time to you as I would like, but you are a legend. You are awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. This puzzle is wild. Oh no, I already started modifying part 1. I didn't even call it part 2. I'm stupid, so I'll have to go back and change that. Please go race. I'll bug you later. Yo, awesome, man. Yo, appreciate it. I should have called this part 2 from the beginning. Let's cat the example of what pipe it to part 2. So before dial is 50, L68, we had to compensate in the L direction. Yeah, that makes sense. If the dial is 30, we had to go down, then we go down to 52. That makes sense. So we had to compensate L, 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 R, R. That says too much. Let's see. The dial is, it points at 0 once right here. Then we had to compensate in the, before dial is 52, then we had to get to 48. Oh, look at that. We're compensating and we're also landing on it. That's what's happening here. We're compensating for 0 and we're also landing on it. So, we're going to have to do something really, really gross. I'm just going to write bad code. I'm sorry. Compensated equals 0. We're going to set a flag. Compensated equals 1. Compensated equals 1. If dial equals 0 and not compensated, or let's say if compensated equals 0, meaning we haven't compensated, then we'll do it. So if we do this, then we should get 8. Okay, that's also not right. Oh my God. Is Eric on Team Badcop trying to distract you? Yeah. I hope not, Aneurysm. What's up, man? How you doing? Oh man, we got all the Advent of Code people here. This is wonderful. I have to look through I have to actually process this. Okay. It was before 80, so we moved to 30. Then we have to move to 48. Had to compensate R. We don't actually have to compensate it. I have to stop doing it this way. We have to actually do... Let me think about this. Remove the last... Hold on, sorry. I should say this. I haven't said this before. No hints, please. Absolutely no hints. I don't mind people like pointing out like syntax errors and stuff, but I definitely don't want like hints during this. I want to try and figure this out. If we have gotten this here... No, you're good. You're good, man. Don't worry about it. It's all good. I should make that more clear. I should put that like somewhere in a pinned comment or something. Yeah, if we land on a 0... But this is less than 0. Let me understand my flow here. Let's see. Had to compensate L. That makes sense. Before dials 40, we had to compensate R. That doesn't seem right. If we're at 52 and we have to move 48 to the right. We do. Something's not right here. Something really obvious is not right here. This is a really good puzzle. This is a really good first puzzle. This is tricky in how it is. I really like it. Because it lands on 0, so it never does that one again. Let me think. This is so gross, but dial equal 100 or accum plus plus dial equal I'm doing something wrong. Hold on, let me think about this. If dial is greater than 100, then we increment it. I think I'm overcomplicating this, but if dial is less than 0, then we increment it. I think this is overcomplicated. This probably be written way better, but 7. Okay, we're inching closer to the answer. This is ridiculous. It should be 6. Let's see. If we had to compensate R here, then we didn't land on it. Oh, the dial's on 0. We didn't actually go through a 0 in that process, but we're acting like we had to compensate it. The dial's on 0. And we subtract the amount. And because it's less than 0, we say that we compensated it. Oh. I think that's right. No, we're back up to 8. Dude, oh man, this is a tough one. We might just be able to simplify this. Let me think about this. If we... Let's really simplify this. If we just do this, can we just leave this out? I have to think about this. If every time we pass by a 0 or land on a 0, I think this covers both of it for us. This gives us 6. Yeah. This is not how my brain wants to think about it, but I think it makes sense because I keep trying to subtract from here where I'm just like, oh, let's just add from here actually. So if we do this, we get the number as 6. What if we use the real input? Cat real input, pipe into part 2. Number is 6889. Let's pull that up. 6889. That's not the right answer. Okay. Cool. Wow. Starting off real strong on this one. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay. Nope. Part 2. I might have to rethink this from the ground up. Cool to catch one of your streams finally. This puzzle looks like a lot of fun. I'm sure I would have gotten frustrated by now. Hey, yo, welcome. Appreciate it. Yeah, this puzzle is... I love these puzzles. I just love puzzles in general. So, yeah, this is great. Let's go at it. Step through the file. Yeah, I could step through the example. I think that's probably what I'll have to do to actually get to the bottom of this. But let me come up with logic that I'm actually happy with. Because I don't like this logic. I really don't like this logic. Like, this is going to sound so stupid, but like, I really want to do something like this. I equals 0. I less than amount. I plus plus. Like, I actually want to just like step through this. I have to remember bash syntax. Oh my god. Like do like a dial minus equal I, and then if dial equal 0, then accum plus plus. So that way we get it if it stops there, and that way we get it if it you know what I'm trying to say. We get it if it stops there, and we get it if it goes past it, and then we can say if dial is less than 0, then dial plus equal 100. This is incredibly verbose code. I normally don't write like this, but I think this might be the way to do it. And then we're going to copy and paste code like good programmers, and we're going to just do the opposite. So instead of minus equal, we're going to do a plus equal. If dial is equal to, no, it's still at 0 then. We just need to do it down here. If dial is greater than or equal to 100, then dial minus equal 100. And then if dial is equal to 0, then we increment the accumulator. I think this works. So if we cat the example on pipe 2 part 2, number of zeros is 7. That is wrong. We should have 6. So why do we have that? So let's see. Okay. So we touched 0 twice on this last one. If L is 82 before dial was 80. So that one's just wrong. We should only touch it once. So again, doing something wrong, but we'll figure it out. Dial minus equal... Oh, minus equal I. What am I doing? Minus equal I? No. Minus equal 1. We are literally... Not I at all. Just 1. We're doing it step by step. 6. Okay. Let's go over here. Cat the real input. It's going to take a while. This is not the fastest thing. 6860. Let's see what we got here. Let's go. Let's go. That's the right answer. You are 1 gold star closer. Yo, what's up, gamer?
Hey.
I got bad news for you.
Yeah.
Yep.
You took a while though.
I did. I made a lot of...
also taking a while.
I made a lot of really stupid mistakes. I wrote some of the worst code to get it to work.
Yeah, I feel like I'm fundamentally misunderstanding something.
Oh, man.
Because, like, it works on the example. Both of the examples.
Oh my god, thank you, Ash, for the bits.
I don't see what I'm misinterpreting.
That was my problem. It started working on the examples, and then I completely changed my quote-unquote algorithm, and then it stopped working on the example, and then I was like, oh, thank god. So then when I fixed it, it started working again. Well, let me know. I mean, let me know if you want to keep working on it. Like, if you want silence and keep working on it, I'm all good with that. Or if you want me to take a look, I'm happy either way. Whatever you want to do.
Yeah, maybe I'll do the horrifying thing. I mean, I could brute force this, you know.
I kind of took a solution like that where I added 1 to the number and then just went from there. Like, it was as brute as you could possibly get.
Yeah. But I don't understand why my solution doesn't work. I can't think of a case where it doesn't.
Oh, man.
I gotta look at the input and see if there's something weird I'm not thinking of. Jeff, are you also stuck? It's crazy. Wait, where's the, Oh, I don't have the input open. Oh, you did what Dave said? There's no way that's how you have to do it. There's surely an optimization beyond looping over all the numbers. I'm surely missing some edge case here. I'm kind of curious if any of these are just like turn 0. But I doubt. Well, like, why would that even matter? No, they're not.
There we go, chat. I pulled up her stream. I pulled up your stream, by the way.
Oh, you want to see what I have?
Yeah, I'm curious.
It's okay. Well, so part 1 started like this. I did a little hack here where
Okay.
I just add a big multiple of 100 to.
Oh my god! To deal with like the weird negatives coming out of it because it's like remainder and not Euclidean or whatever. Yeah.
And then I just grabbed how many times it said 0 in the output, and then
Your solutions
why-
are so unique. We program so differently. It's incredible. You are like a scripter, and I am like a C programmer.
I saw the left and the right, and I was like, oh, that's TR for sure.
That's incredible. The way you think is always so wild to me. Like you literally make operators and like paste them to paste and stuff like that. Like I just don't think that way. It's awesome.
But then, yeah, I didn't have a cool bash way to do the like running some or the cool core utils way, because like I don't know how that would work with BC.
Yeah, I actually don't
You'd
know
have
either.
to like, you'd have to take like the previous line. I don't think there's a way to do that.
Oh my god, someone in my
Well, unless
chat
BC
seems like
can reference the previous line somehow.
someone in my chat said seems like using a real mod operator instead of implementing your own would have avoided that. Listen, listen, we're in a race here. Anything goes. Oh, someone in my chat's calling you out for your shebang. You lied to me. Look at you using bin bash.
This only runs on my computer. What do I care?
I know. We talked about this earlier.
Look at this though. Look at I got the good bash on here.
What's the good bash?
5.3.
Oh, you got 5.3. Look at you. Heck
Got
yeah.
it. I'm ready.
Oh my god. I made sure to upgrade my Vim so I have proper syntax highlighting for the new Bash 5.3 feature. So yeah, we're good to go.
But I'm getting 6 for the sample. What I
Nice.
changed here was just so I add the number that I get to the dial.
Yep.
And then while it's less than 0, I add 100.
Yep.
And I click.
Yeah.
And then while it's greater than or equal to 100, I subtract 100 and I click.
Yeah.
And why? Why isn't that the right answer?
Oh man, I need to study this more to give you a better answer because that's basically where I got before I decided I need to scrap this and just rewrite it because I'm getting frustrated. I can't figure it out. So I didn't actually solve this. I went back and rewrote it in a different way to get around this.
I do have the bug in the sample. I just happen to be getting the right answer.
Oh yeah, look
that's
at
a good
that.
point. Well, wow, how's the what? So 55 minus 55 goes to 0, which should click, but it doesn't.
I muted myself, chat. Very cool catching you live. Yo, nice seeing you here as well. Yeah, I'm gonna go live more during December for these Advent of Code puzzles. The solution is pretty slick. The solution is my solution's garbage, guys. I appreciate it though.
I did try doing this. But the problem with this is that then you get 9 because this one is getting counted twice.
Yes, I was getting 9 for a while.
We're moving off of the. Yeah, so I need to figure out how to not double count it.
Yeah.
If I'm starting at 0.
The worst part, I wish I could just give you like a hint or something, but I actually don't have one. I literally did not solve it that way.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
We can do it this way. Don't even worry.
Don't even worry. Oh man. Incredible.
Ooh. Nah.
Oh my god. I love that you quote your expansions in double square bracket notation.
Just in case. You never know. I'm not worried about my code being backwards compatible. I'm worried about it being future compatible, you know?
That's incredible. Yeah, well, I want forwards compatible code.
Right. And then we gotta, obviously, it's no longer fucked. Perfect, we get 6. Echo dash n no? Oh, that's just brilliant. Hold on. You get a reward. That is
This person in my chat says, I did not know that folks did these. This is great. Do you have a mailing list? I do not have a mailing list, but I'm sure there are a lot of people that are doing Advent of Code tonight because it's just out. I think Advent of Code at least has a subreddit. You can go there and people will talk about doing it. I don't know if streamers talk about it, but luckily Badcop just emailed me last year and was like, yo, I like Bash. So
Yeah.
Echo Dash, no.
Yeah, somebody in chat suggested this, and it's genius, and I just gave them VIP because, what the hell?
Yeah.
That's the greatest shit I've ever seen.
That's genius. Using the fact that they're like using New Line as your Terminator. That's actually really clever.
We gotta look for exactly click now. We gotta go.
Yeah, you got it, Richard.
Here.
No problem. It's
6. Yeah.
I love your solutions. They are so shell scripty. Like there's so
no
much.
click is crazy.
That is crazy. That's genius. You're literally buffering up output
The
until
test
you
should
emit a
maybe
new
be
line.
before the ad. Is it not before the ad? Here's the ad. Here's the check. If it was here, it'd be wrong, no? Yeah, that gives me 7. Now we can change this too. We can do a little one of these.
I mean, you could change it to be double
rid of the
parentheses and
debug
use
thing.
arithmetic expression there. Don't listen to me. I'm just making it worse.
Click, 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 no click, 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 no click, click, no click.
This is hilarious.
Okay, does it actually give me the right answer?
This is industrialized
No,
FizzBub,
that's
and I
the
love
same
it.
answer I already had.
Incredible. Oh my god, no.
No.
That's terrible. It seems so promising.
What do you mean? Okay, wait.
Wow.
Undo. Hold on. Put
The
it back to the fucked thing. Maybe.
The T to dev standard error is genius. I love that. Didn't know you were a reaction streamer. Listen, I'm only a reaction streamer because I'm so fast at programming, all right?
I think. No, that's not the right answer. Oh, thank you for the raid.
What are you just guessing now? What's happening here?
No, that's what it just says. It's 6664.
Mm-hmm.
I undid it to my this version. This don't work either.
Yeah,
so how does this get the exact same answer? That's crazy.
I'm staring at your code. I'm actually, like, I'm genuinely trying to understand this because, like I said, I had similar code and it did not work for me.
I should try 6969. Could be the right answer.
I think the kids are saying 6-7 now.
I kind of want to go diving in here for one that doesn't work.
What about right there, right at the bottom, 47 plus 53? Is it click, click?
47 plus 53 is 100.
Yeah.
Oh.
And it says click, click.
Should this be up here? 5996? No. 31 plus 69. Wait, where's that? After the addition? After the addition. What are you saying to me?
Yo, what's up, stream? I muted myself. I gotta figure out why YouTube chat isn't showing up on my UI
Let's get
there.
rid of this thing because it's kind of confusing.
It's been so long since I've used it. I actually don't remember what I even use. So I'll have to remember what I do there. Thank you very much. Have work in the morning. Still working on servers around the world. Thank you for some great content. All the
If
best.
you do this,
Yo, appreciate it. Thank you for...
after your loops.
I gotta mute Badcop. Thank you for stopping in, man. I appreciate it. I'll be streaming more often this month as I do this, and
You can have a loop that puts
and if
the
you want,
dial to 0.
if you want bash content, check out my
And you
YouTube channel.
double
But appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. Hopes and prayers and a side of luck. I did not use hopes and prayers and a side of luck.
Should it not be between them? Should it be at the top? What are you saying? 5887? Curiously, that's the right answer for someone else.
Interesting.
That's just because these are pretty small
Yeah.
answers. Hold on, let me check it for where's the fishing overlay? Don't worry about it. Okay, we only have 5 now. Everything is busted here. Okay. 50 minus 68 minus 18. Click. Simple. Makes sense. 82 minus 30. 52. No click. The no check is only needed if the dial is going left? What? It's making less and less sense. Is that true? That is true. You're right. You're right. Num less than 0 and this. Yeah. All right. This is the answer. 6452. Why are these answers so different? Okay, I have to wait 3 minutes.
Oh my god, you're on the cooldown?
Off. Yeah.
Oh no.
On day 1. I'm getting owned.
Oh my god, good luck over there. Also, yes, Ash, all the puzzle answers are different for everyone, which is kind of cool. You can't like share answers. We all get different puzzle input. We have the same examples, but we have different like actual input for our puzzles.
Okay, let me fix this output so I can see if it actually is right. 50. Okay, we click. 52 plus 48 goes to 100. That's a click.
Thank you, Chozo. That's a really nice message. SR388. That's one of my favorite planets.
But then
I love
we go
going there in Metroid 2.
That's a no click.
What's up, Warforged? How you doing? Dave, would you ever want to race using Bash against someone using C? I actually probably would. I think Bash would be faster.
No click. Yeah, I think this is right.
You have a lot of time to sit there. You have a lot of time to sit there and think about if it's right.
Yeah. The no click thing is crazy. I'm still baffled by that. That's just next level. So do I not need the dollar signs here? Is that what you're telling me? That's crazy too.
I don't know about that. You need the arithmetic expression. You need the double open parens.
It looks like I don't.
If that works, that's insane. Although it might just be treating those as numbers, which will just default to 0. So I'd be curious about that. I'd have to double check that syntax.
I feel like it's working.
Yo, what's up? Coolest possible name. Sometimes I mute myself. Like right now, she can't hear me. But sometimes I unmute myself.
Maybe it's because I'm using the dash EQ. I don't know. Like this might not work with like equals equals.
I don't know about that, but if you use the double parens, you can just treat them like numbers. I mean, that's what I did for all of them.
Let me just bring this back. $64.52, yeah. Yeah, this does work. Crazy. Yeah, we can keep this in there. All right, let's see. That's not the right answer.
I just tested the double square bracket notation without the dollar signs. Apparently it does work. That's new to me.
Same.
That's
But
crazy.
that's also not the right answer.
Oh my god, you were getting screwed here. Oh my god.
What do you mean that's not the right answer? It looks so right. All right, that's it. I'm looking at the output. Starting at the top. Just gonna go through the whole thing until I find a bug. All right. 71 to plus 37, that's a click. 8 minus 39, that's a click. These look pretty standard. Okay. Let's look for our first like double click. Oh, here's an interesting case maybe. 44 plus 56 is 100. Click. Minus 46 is a no click because we're starting at 0. Okay.
All right, I muted myself. I'm trying to figure out this YouTube chat overlay thing. I found the website I was using as
Makes
Botrix,
sense.
Botrix. So I've been trying to figure out what's going on there. I'm logged into my YouTube, so it should just work. And I
Okay,
checked
here
the
we're
setting,
doing
and
it
it said
again.
YouTube equals true. So I mean that sounds pretty
62
good.
minus 62. Click.
What's going on over there, Warforged? Don't get
No
existential.
click.
Are you guys friends? Yeah, I consider her a friend. Never met her in real life, but yeah, she seems pretty cool.
Gosh. Am I dumb? All right, here. Things are getting crazy.
I'm scared. What are you doing? Are you going through it just step by step?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, that's the way to do it.
Okay, we go down to 0. That clicks. And then we add 76. Doesn't click. So we just like bounced off of 0. We didn't pass it again. I think you need to move line 13 below 17. All right, let me see what you're looking at. Dial equals 0. I tried that, I thought. But did I not try it in concert with this other change? Hold on. I want to find the specific case. $76 plus 624, 700. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clicks, which makes sense. And then we go back by 595. So that should be what? 5 clicks to 95? Or, oh, just to 5, yeah. I don't know. It seems right.
Oh, I can lower her volume. That's cool.
What changes if I do this?
Sir Dave, you have done a what do you think about AI LLMs video. I haven't done an official one. I've definitely ranted about it. I might do one in the future. The only problem is when I do my AI videos, I get a lot of negative attention from people that I just don't appreciate. So there's certain topics I just try to avoid because it just kind of is unappreciated. There are 67 viewers for this stream right now. Now it's 77. Listen, man, 67. I'm a child. Hold on, are you talking to me? What's up?
No, sorry, I'm talking to...
Oh, my bad.
The only case that would matter is if this was at like negative 100 or something.
Okay.
Negative 400 from 0 would print a no click, then 3 clicks when it should print 4. Yeah. I think I get what you're saying. All right, let's add some shit to the top of our example. So let's go left 50. Then left 400.
All right, I have muted Badcop. What am I missing? Oh, hey, Eric, what's going on right now? Yeah, the race was good. She is still trying to figure it out. So I have her on Discord and I kind of turned her volume down a little bit. She's problem solving with her chat right now. She beat me in part 1 and I just had a really stupid issue of not assuming the numbers would be over 100. So that was my fault. Stupid little problem with part 1. She beat me. But then part 2, I just destroyed her on. She is still trying to figure out part 2. I could not get part 2 to work with any sort of elegant solution, so I went with the incredibly verbose brute force solution of turning it 1 click at a time and then just keeping track of every time it went past 0. Like, very just brute force. Let me see if I can pull it up.
Alright, what's my cooldown now? Like 6 years?
Yeah, so I just did a for loop from I equals 0 all the way up to the amount that I need to click it, and then I clicked it once, and then I checked. Like, it couldn't have been more... what's the word I'm even looking for? Brute? I don't even know. But it worked. It worked, and I got the right answer. So I'm very happy. I just need to understand why she's not getting the...
No click. That's what matters.
Oh, wait, hold on. Did you just get it? Hold on, let me ask her real quick. Did you just get it? Did you just say you got the right answer?
Yeah.
Very nice. That's awesome. Heck yeah, congratulations.
And I bet mine runs faster.
Yes. I'm willing to bet that it does, because mine takes a long time to run. Mine took about like 5 seconds to run.
That's pretty funny.
Also, Eric is in the chat right now, and he said my solution absolutely just turns it 1 click at a time too. LOL. So listen, I'm not alone here. I am in very good company.
Eric.
That's way easier and easier for me to be confident that's right than trying to be clever. Yes, that's exactly how I felt. Like, someone in my chat was like, you're just implementing, your own modular division. It's like, yes, sure, why not? Like, literally, yeah. And I'm doing it as slowly as possible. I don't care.
But is Eric aware of the no-click strategy?
The no-click strategy?
Yeah.
Well, let's see. I have your stream pulled up right now, so go ahead and make Eric aware right now.
Okay, what we're doing here is every time we do our manual modulo, we echo click. But in the one case where we don't want to click, we do echo -n no Shout out to Narf37 in the chat for this idea, which gets tacked onto the click. So it'll say no click, and then when we search for the clicks, it skips over that one.
Yeah, this is Advent of Code 2025, day 1, part 2, no click, any % run, and she crushed it.
Look at this. Look at this. You got your clicks, but then you got your, let's see, right here is a no click, for example. And that wouldn't click.
Okay, like,
no click.
Unironically, echo-n no in front of the thing you want to do. Instead of having to retain a flag, you just output something and then buffer it until you see a new line character. Unironically is genius. Like, that is so genius, and that is so,
I would have never thought of that.
Yeah. This is like what shell scripting is for. Like, you properly shell scripted it. I just pretended I'm a C programmer in Bash. Like, we approach these way differently.
Click because it already clocked. Yeah.
Eric says this is very silly and I'm delighted. I am too. I like I love your solutions to these. They're always so unique. Like, I don't think I would come up with that in a million years.
I am taking zero credit for this. I will take credit for TR, but not for no click. I think TR is a good.
Yeah.
Gotta have that in there.
TR L to minus and R to plus is actually really smart. This is a Perlism and we embrace this. Yeah. It's just genius.
All right, well, we did it. We can.
All right, so let's go on to day 2 now. Oh wait, we actually have to wait. We are caught up. How upsetting! I love these puzzles.
Yeah, they're fun.
Yeah. Eric says, I love that 300,000 people can do an AOC puzzle and come up with 300,000 different ways to solve it. I think that's so cool. It's got to be so fun. Like, for you to go watch these streams at the same time, of course, it's got to be nerve-wracking knowing the servers could go down. Like, I'm a sysadmin in my day job. I understand that. But, like, it's got to be so fun to see everyone solving these. Oh, my God. You have to wait. Have you done all the past year's puzzles? See, that's true. We got to start doing the previous year's puzzles. I have not.
Oh, me neither. Got commit. Day 1.
Oh, yeah, good call.
I failed pretty hard. Lol. With a lot of L's.
Let me do that.
Okay, now I need to fix my starting script because it imploded immediately. Like I correctly predicted.
That's so funny. Have you done
the
Cynic
challenge? I cloned the repo to a different folder and I didn't, think about this.
You use Linux now. You're not on Windows anymore. You can't say folder. You have to say directory.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Full directory.
Then no, you never say that. Let's see. Have you done the Syndicor challenge? Can you even do that in Bash? I have not done that. I remember you telling me about it last year, but I have not tried it, so I don't even know what's involved with those. I'd have to look into them and see. If I remember, it wasn't like something with making like an actual virtual machine, or did I make that up? Am I thinking of something else? Do all the day 1s, then all the day 2s, then all the day 3s. That'd be a ton of fun. That'd be such a weird challenge. Like, I don't know. I actually kind of like enjoy the story, so I don't know if I'd want to do that. I feel like I'm spoiling something if I did it that way. Showing up to rep the echo-n no. Yo, what's up? Welcome to the chat. Dude, that was a incredible suggestion there. Like, that's so genius. It's another puzzle thing I made for a past employer. Oh, I swear we talked about this because I'm vaguely remembering this.
Write your own computer?
Yeah, the writing your own computer one. Is that what I'm thinking of?
I've done are
sorry, I can.
2023 and then half of 2024.
I have to not do this when I'm on a Discord call. I'm too old to pay attention to all this stuff going on at the same time.
What do I see?
Oh man.
Events?
Let's see.
Yeah, I have 2 stars in 2015 somehow. I don't know.
Oh yeah, int code. I think int code was the one you told me about. That's what I remember. We do have arrays in Bash. Now, they're like O of n time trying to access a specific element from an array. So I mean, it's not great.
Then I forgot about it.
But oh my god, that'd be fun. Oh man, well, congratulations, we crushed it. Day 1 down.
Oh, uh, they get easier from here, right?
Yes, yeah, they definitely get easier.
Okay, good.
Oh man, that was fun. I really like this puzzle because like it was deceptively easy. When I read it, I was like, wait, that's it? This seems too easy. And then I failed the example 2 times and failed my real input once on part 1. I was like, okay, never mind. I'm just stupid. That's incredible. Solution equals cat $1. Oh god. Oh. I can't
What?
look at your scripts. They hurt me.
Don't. This one is just don't. It's for me. It's not. They're all for me.
I know, but that's
Uh,
we have to change that mentality. If they're for you, they should be up to a beautiful standard.
no, 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 no. That's the. That's where I actually hardcore disagree. There should be no standard for your
Yeah,
own
we're
script.
so different. Any script that's for me can also be for other people. Like you gotta.
No, 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 no.
Wow.
The more users you have, the more problems you have.
No. The more problems there are, but
Ideal
for
number of
them.
users is 0, but 1 is tolerable. Any more than 1, it becomes like exponentially more complicated. So,
Oh,
you know,
man.
hard code that. Oh, this one has bin bash and this one has user bin and bash, which is
Oh look, you randomly switch it up.
yeah. And then in the next one, I'll do user bin local, user local bin bash,
I hate you. I just hate you.
and then
You do this
ZSH.
You do this to hurt me. Oh my god. If not which, the most unportable program ever, which doesn't.
Oh my god.
Yeah, go try running that on old Solaris machines. That won't work.
I'll try.
Okay, thank you.
I don't know where to go on.
That's fair. That's a fair thing to say. Oh man. But yeah, we should Eric's telling us we should try int code, which is a different puzzle he's made, and
Wait, it's
we
like
can
a
do it.
non-admin-
We have a raise and
or is
bash.
is that the 2019 one?
Oh yeah, is that the 2019 one? I remember you talking about that actually. Encode is some of the puzzles in 2019. Okay, cool. I love the low latency on Twitch. Oh my god, it's so nice. The difficulty curve this year is what? Sorry, I thought I heard knocking. That was just my furnace kicking on. Wow, that was loud.
What am I doing? I'm like, is there a list, or should I just skip over the ones that aren't in code?
That is such a cool visualization. Wow, that looks awesome.
Speaking of cool visualization, did you see the I was looking around at Ghosty and it had a boo flag. And I was like, what's this? I was like, whoa, that's cool. They got their own
Oh, that's cute.
little thing in there.
That's very cute. All right, well, you've convinced me. That's reason enough to switch to Ghosty.
Funnily enough, the first time I ran this, I ran it in Alacrity.
Oh my god.
So that felt a little sacrilegious.
That seems sacrilegious.
All the puzzles are pretty good, but in particular, 2019 one builds a lot on previous puzzles.
Yep.
Gotcha.
And yeah, so Eric's saying encode is some of the puzzles in 2019. Cinecore Challenge is a different thing, which is also a virtual machine like encode. Okay, so Cinecore is Aneurysm's thing. Got it. And then encode is day 2, and then every odd day starting with 5, I think. That can't be real. Is that...
Every odd day starting with 5.
That can't be real. It could be real. That can't be real.
Day 5.
Cinecore Challenge is a thing I created. Aneurysm 9 is hosting it on his GitHub. Okay. Okay, sorry. Yeah, you did say that. I completely misremembered or misinterpreted that. Cinecore was something you made for a previous employer. Encode is something that I can find in the 2019 challenges of 2, then 5, then 7, then 9. That's insane. Okay, I'm remembering now.
Eric, I want you to know that I spent like 2 solid minutes translating your little hex click string, only to read in the next paragraph that it said click, and I was like, oh. I guess I didn't need to translate that. That's why I lost the race, to be honest.
Because you were busy translating that?
Unironically, I have an ASCII table open because I was like, all right, let's see. 4.3 is C.
Oh my god. You can use bash's printf to just...
I know you could, but
okay.
I was like, this will be fast, and then it wasn't.
I mean, that was probably the difference between me winning and you winning. I think that accounts for like the 30-minute difference. Yeah, I think you're right.
It was those 2 minutes.
That was
really
it.
Changed my headspace.
Oh man. All right. Well, congratulations. You win one and I win one.
Oh yeah, man. Are we counting individual stars as wins?
I would think so. How do you feel about that?
Okay,
or we could call this whole day a tie.
No, that's good because.
Okay.
Well, I mean that would make it a tie.
Yeah, but I think of it like the same way that Advent of Code does it, where I'm like, okay, you get a point and I got a point. Now, what do we do with these points? I have no idea.
We sell them.
Oh.
To the highest bidder.
All right. I'm in. Chat, start bidding on these points, please.
Yeah. We've got 1 point for sale. Hopefully I'll have 2 more tomorrow.
We'll see about that.
Yeah.
Eric says the person with the most points wins, having the most points at the end. Okay, honestly, true.
Well, not if we sell them, though, to our chatters, because then we won't have them anymore.
Oh, I was assuming that if I sold them, I still got to keep them. Like, I get to sell my cake and eat it too?
But you can't. How does that work?
Someone in my YouTube chat says $0. That's all I have. So I'm assuming $0 in this case is just bash, because that's the shell I'm running. Ayo.
Don't tell Dave. Don't tell Dave that $0 is not bash over here.
Are you on ZSH over there? You're always on ZSH.
Yeah.
It hurts me.
Why?
Oh yeah, I see it.
It's a good shell.
We're supposed to be the bash influencers.
Yeah, that's why it's funny.
I guess. Yeah.
What's the difference?
What do you mean, what's the difference? I can explain the difference. Oh, you know what? Hold on.
There's not that many differences until you find one of the differences, and then you're like, oh,
yep.
I forgot there were differences.
I think ZSH source and dot are different things. I think they have different rules on how they work. Whereas on bash, they're complete synonyms for each other.
I think the one that always gets me is like, I think, yeah, this is not a thing in ZSH, which is crazy.
Oh yeah, 2 upper. Yeah. That's a bash 4ism.
Dash I? What do you mean dash I?
I still want to know why my YouTube chat's not showing up. It's annoying me.
I forget what the thing is to do this in ZSH actually. ZSH variable to upper. They're saying use awk. That's not true. They're saying use tr. That's not true. There's a way. I know there's a way. Stop it. Upper? I have no idea. There was a thing in the AI overview. I don't know if that's true. Oh, it is. Okay. Thanks, AI.
That's the fakest syntax I've ever seen in my life.
Wait, this is the thing too? Wait. You? No, that's cursed. What is that? That's no good.
Eric says for
Yes,
a while
please.
someone did every day in SQL. I love that. That's so awesome.
Every day in SQL is pretty good.
Doing every day is crazy. I love the people that like print it out and just do it by hand. That's a different level.
Yeah.
Also, I think I got YouTube chat working in my UI guy, so go ahead and let me know if it's working.
Dang.
I'm a real streamer over here. I got YouTube, I got Twitch.
And you didn't even put it in the terminal? Like, what's going on?
Put what in the terminal?
The chat.
Oh yeah, no. See, I'm not that cool.
Yeah, I don't really use the terminal. I don't know.
I use a Mac. I don't really use a terminal that much. I'm a fake nerd, dude.
Oh, I see. You're just reacting to my stream. Or
Yeah, oh yeah. We've
to
just
your
been react
stream.
streaming this whole time.
Yeah.
Great. This is
little bit of-
peak quality, right? Yeah,
little
this
bit
is
of reacting.
peak content.
Oh.
Oh man, this sucks. Wow. What a great
Let me
use
see what
of
your chat's saying.
everything. Eric
There's
says,
actually one. Oh,
what's up?
no, you read it. You read it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, in my behind the scenes, I think I have the picture of someone that covered their entire living room with graph paper and did the whole thing by hand. That's amazing. Or the one of the few years where everyone had to create a physical paper cube to work out the solution. That is so awesome. I love 3D style puzzles. Like, don't get me wrong, I love my two-dimensional grids, but I love the 3D style ones. What is happening? What is happening on your stream? This is upsetting me. I hate this. It's a nightmare. We're Dave maxing right now. It's incredible. This is what people sign up for. It's people who go to my YouTube channel, my Twitch. This is what they want to see. So
Your view of my stream has a bigger version of you than your stream has a version. If that makes any sense.
yeah. Yo, Shoes, what's up? Thank you for the tier 1 sub. Appreciate it. The paper cube one is 2022 day 22. Interesting.
I mean, I probably could have done it like this.
I'm just not clicking that link because I don't know what browser is going to open in. This is a paper cube one. Oh man. Yeah, I need to go through and do the rest of the years because these are just so much fun. I think. Oh, what is Badcop doing?
Huh?
Oh my god!
Perfect.
Incredible. This is what free will was invented for. This is
Wait
amazing.
for it. Wait for it. Boom. Step away from the OBS. No.
This is upsetting. What is happening? Listen, I think Eric's right.
No. How do you do that? Oh, there we go.
Thank you. Oh my god. Wow. It's true. Bad cop stream. I'm just so slimming. It's incredible.
Yeah. I do filters. I've seen you with the Snapchat filter. I know. I know
Oh
what
my
you're
god,
about.
I love the Snapchat filter so much. My Discord like server's picture is that Snapchat filter. I love Snapchat filter, but I love all that stupid stuff, man.
I reset mine, but for a second it was still just you sideways.
Incredible, incredible. Oh yeah, people in my Twitch chat are spamming the Snapchat one. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh man, you can't leave Badcop alone. Like this is just what starts
I
happening.
know. So what, we got like 23 hours to kill until
Yeah.
the next one. So what should we talk about for the next 23 and a half hours?
Yep. Because I plan on sitting here and just talking.
Oh, you weren't gonna just stay live for all of Advent of Code?
Oh my god, I could. I thought about doing some of my work
12-day
live.
streamathon?
That'd be kind of fun. Like that'd be really fun. Now, to think I'd get all the puzzles done the day they come out. I mean, some of those puzzles took me multiple days to do. So, and Eric's
Only
right.
there were
23
some other
hours.
Advent of Code puzzles.
Exactly. If only. If only there were.
Yeah. I think my hard drive's out of space though. So
No,
I
I
can't do anymore.
I still want to go through them. I want to go through and get all the stars because ever since once I see my stars on the website, like
That is true.
I love seeing that.
Is
Like,
there any Easter egg if you have all the stars available?
I
Is it like turn
Eric,
the whole
don't answer
screen
that.
turn red?
don't answer that, Eric. We have to find out
Make
ourselves.
it turn red.
Why
Should
red?
turn red. Because that's a good color. Like,
Okay, I mean,
Hello?
yeah, true. It's my favorite color, but like,
oh, you like red?
I
Oh,
do.
you'll
I'm a big
love my
red fan.
website. You should.
You have like 8,000 domains. You think I know which website you're talking about?
The one you can put in your terminal.
Sarah.engineer.
No. Have
Oh.
you curled hotdogstand.lol?
Yes, I have. Oh Christ.
Okay.
Oh my God,
What's
you're a
your favorite
menace.
color?
Incredible. No, I was thinking about just going live and making people watch me edit my Bash course because wow, editing a video is the most boring thing in the entire world.
Yeah. Is there a video editing category?
There should be. I don't know if there is. I could see that.
There's a Cave Room 2 category.
That's incredible. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Do you have to do anything to make a category? Or do you just start streaming to it?
No, you have to upload it to IGDB.
Okay.
That's where they source it from.
Okay. That makes sense.
Which, have you even like live reacted to Cave Room 2 yet? What the heck?
I need to do that. I should actually do that. I did start to get it compiled on macOS, but Godot is really stupid, so I'm just gonna have to play it on Windows.
Yeah, I think playing it on Windows is the right call.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do that. Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and Video James loved the final boss. He thought that was super cool.
Nice. Okay. I didn't hear back.
Oh, you didn't? Oh man, I thought he went in the Discord and said something. No, he loved it. He thought it was great, and he was like, "This came out really well."
Yeah, I was pretty happy. Cave Room 3 is gonna be hard to pull off.
Yeah. I plan on learning Godot though, so I want to help more than not doing much.
I wonder if I should write more C code tonight, or if I should just take my victory.
But your victory, our tie?
My victory in that, like, I defeated the problem.
Oh,
Like-
I thought you meant about our race.
No, because, like, well, I mean, like, you don't think of, like, programming as victories and
No,
and
I do.
losses.
I absolutely do. It's just that we had a race tonight, and you were like, my victory. I was like, okay, don't rewrite history. We tied.
True.
Oh, I'm just idly playing my piano right now. I think it's actually just coming through stream. I didn't even think about that. Oh, man.
Oh wait,
Alright.
does that mean you? Wait, we gotta check my leaderboard real quick.
What are we checking? Okay.
I don't know who did it. And does anybody want to join the leaderboard from chat? Either chat, you can join my leaderboard.
Yes, there are private leaderboards with Advent of Code. I was never part of one, but I am now. I'm part of Badcops.
It's 2025. Okay, Meep 1, then Theo, then Temporalis, and then Brymunk, 4th place. You'll join the leaderboard? All right. Let me find the code. Is it this thing? Do I have a command? Leaderboard? No, I don't have a command. Where? How do I do the thing? Oh, here. Here.
Oh, hey, that's me. Oh, cool.
Code.
So yeah, if you're in Twitch chat, the code's there. It should also be on the UI of my stream. So if you want to join the leaderboard, got some cool people in there.
Wait, it's on the UI of your stream. What do you mean?
It's like actually like I have the chat.
Oh, the chat. Yeah.
Yeah, because I got the YouTube chat working now. Hopefully.
We can only have up to 200 users, so don't put it in your video.
It's in the chat. That's all I can say.
No, but like, don't.
I'll cut this part out.
Like, make an edited video, yeah.
Yeah. I'll cut this part out. So here, I put in the YouTube chat as well. It's in the chat and also on your screen. Yes, it's on the screen. So if anyone sees it and they want to join, that's awesome. But
going back to this year.
Oh, Eric says you can reset the join code if that's a problem. That's cool.
Oh, cool.
It's like a Discord invite link type of thing. Discord invite link. That's what my brain has for like expiring codes. That's the analog I go to. Incredible.
Dang, I'm in 13th place.
Wow,
That
get
is
good.
A rough start.
Get good.
It's okay. Day 2 is usually when I start winning, and then day 5 is when I start really falling off.
And the leaderboards are time based, right? Like how fast you solve them matters.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, only because we're racing do I care about the actual like time. Other than that, like, it doesn't matter to me.
I did part 1 in 7 minutes. I was rank 8.
That's awesome. What is this link you're sending me, Eric?
And it took me the rest of eternity to do part 2. What is this? Get good?
Incredible. True. Real.
I don't think I have that alias. Get good. You called a get command named good, which does not exist. Continuing under the assumption that you meant add. Nothing specified, nothing added. Oh.
That's so funny. Continuing on with the assumption that. I didn't know that's what it says.
Well, that if you have there's a thing, the autocorrect. You could turn on autocorrect in your get config.
Oh, okay. I don't think I have that set. That's interesting.
Let's just do that real quick. Nice.
Yo, what's up, Pixel That Geek? How you doing? Oh. Yeah, Eric says you should put the binary user local bin get good on the servers you control. Smart, honestly. I mean, listen, this is from a sysadmin who's keeping the Advent of Code servers up, so I believe him.
True. Servers are hard.
Yeah, they're deceptive. They're fun. I love sysadmin stuff.
ignore the fact that we're 7 layers of Tmux deep, but I've got a disaster on this server.
Oh my god.
There's a lot of Dockers.
Dude, oh my god.
There's a lot of websites. I'm still running that Pornhub site from one of your
That video, oh
viewers.
my god, that video's over 6 months old. You can trash that.
Created 5 months ago. That's the thing. I don't know how. Like,
You don't know how
I
to
just.
Docker stop?
But it's in. I think it's in the compose.
Oh, I don't know then.
Own.
I don't know Docker super well. Wow.
It's going. It's a good script.
Oh, I have an update script for mine too. That's so fun. I don't know how to
Yeah,
use Docker.
it just pulls all the repos and then rebuilds everything.
Oh no, Eric has access to my Twitch emotes now because he was gifted a sub. Thank you, Shoes, for gifting that sub. That's super nice of you. That's so funny. Oh, I love that. That's incredible.
Hey, Thano.
Yeah, I'm not a Docker expert. I use like all Illumos, so I have like zones and stuff. That's funny. I get these comments from people. They're like, "You're a Linux god." I was like, "Dude, I know so little about Linux."
Wait, you don't know Linux?
Not very well.
It's
No. Oh yeah, what is
it's
it?
kind of like have you used Solaris?
Yeah, once or twice.
It's kind of like that.
Okay, but more stuff sitting in /proc.
It's kind of like that.
Okay.
Um, yeah. I don't know where to go with this bit.
You didn't think this through at all. You did not think this through at all.
I think most things through.
Fair enough. Ooh. All right. Well, I think I'm going to call this call right here and then say probably my goodbyes to my chat. I'm getting a little bit tired over here. It is 1:30 here.
All right. Well, that's
Heck
good.
yeah.
You're getting your sleep schedule aligned
Messed up?
for
Yeah.
as these days are going to take longer and longer.
Yes, exactly. But yo, this race was awesome. I'm down to do it again tomorrow if you're around.
All right.
Heck
I'll be
yeah.
there.
Heck yeah. Oh man, I'm excited.
Alrighty.
All right, I'll
to you
talk to you
later.
later, gamer. See ya. All right, disconnected that call. Let's pull out of this. Don't worry, chat. I'll hang around for like another 5-10 minutes. We'll hang out for a bit. Let me catch up on some scrollback because I definitely missed some messages from people, so I feel bad about that. Let me see what's going on here. Wow, just a lot of spamming of my emote. That's incredible. Thank you. That call was good. Thank you, Discord. What a great call. Let's see. Good job, Dave and Badcop. Yo, thank you, Ash. Appreciate it. What's happening in the YouTube chat? This YouTube chat is so much more active than Discord. I was talking to some bot named Yan on there. I think Yan is a real person on my Discord. I don't think they're a bot. Proxmox. Proxmox is something I've never actually used or know much about. I was coding it with Bash. That's the language I was using. Good question. Let's see. I plan on doing advent of code and QR codes. Hey, good luck with that. Hey, look at that, the YSAP logo. Look at that. Yeah, I know it's not a bot. Fair enough. It's tough to read sarcasm through text sometimes, especially when I'm tired. Let's see. What do we got going on here? Oh my God, Eric, that's wild. You know what? It's so funny. Those Mercy Wings, I think I actually, those Mercy Wings, I mean, they're the Overwatch Mercy Wings, right? Are they the ones, Ash, are those the ones from the like, the cancer you donate money and you get that special skin for it. I don't know if Overwatch 2 changed it. But yeah, like that was one of the skins I bought immediately from Mercy. I was like, this is awesome. Eric says, so Dave, I see you've only done year 2024 and 2025. That is correct, Eric. Are there other puzzles I can check out? Do you know of any other puzzles I can check out? I know, I want to knock out some more of these things. Truth be told, like I do, oh my God, I really want to. These are so much fun. Every time like last year was so much fun doing this. Yeah, other puzzles, where could they be? I don't know, man. Oh, my biggest problem is last year I just, I did that thing where I spent time trying to become a famous content creator, and it kind of worked now. So I have way more subscribers on YouTube than I've really anticipated I would ever have. So it's weird. See, Pikachu says, hi, new sub here. Yo, welcome. Appreciate the sub. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. Let's see. Good morning. It's 1:30 a.m. here. Yo, good morning as well. Didn't expect you to be live when it's 8:30 a.m. for me. Yeah, sorry about that. Subscribers on YouTube do like content, and these puzzles do make for very nice content. So I am very appreciative of them. Thank you. You can do things and they can be even more successful than you ever imagined. Inconceivable. Yeah, no, it's worked out like you wouldn't believe it. It's crazy. Because I remember when I was streaming on YouTube like last year this time, I think I had like 15,000 subscribers, which was still like most I've ever had on YouTube. I'm like, this is a crazy world. Now I have like 64,000 subscribers. Like I'm on my way to that 100K plaque. It's going to be a weird day when that happens. It's going to be awesome. Thankful for it. And it's taking a lot of work here. So if you guys are watching right now, I'm working on a new video that will go out in December. It is my Bash course. It is my Dave's definitive guide to Bash. I talk about very beginner stuff and I get very advanced. It is 9.5 hours of unedited content. It's going to be about 7 hours once I edit it down. So it's going to be jam-packed with stuff. It's broken into chapters and sections. There are 62 sections in total. I'm going to have a whole website dedicated to it. It'll be completely free. There will be a paid version if you want to download the DRM free MP4 file and own it yourself. So you can put it on whatever servers you want, and that's all well and good. But yeah, the content will just be largely free. So it'll be a huge video. So we'll see if people actually end up watching it, but we'll see. It'll be fun. Hopefully you'll keep streaming even after the 12th. Yeah, when I sit down and stream, I realize like how much I enjoy streaming. Like I don't know why I just stop. I mean, I know why I stop. Life gets busy, and this year has been rough. It's been a lot of doctor's appointments for random health stuff. So I thought that would get better this year, and it did not. So just distracted with that. But streaming is so much fun. Like I should be doing this a lot more. It is so much fun. 9.5, 7. Yes. Like literally, like when I'm done, it's going to be 6-7 hours. I didn't actually intend at that time. It's going to be 6-7 hours of like actual content. Like a Bash course. So it's going to be awesome. Let's see. 100K. Let's go. Your next milestone is 128K subs. Well, actually I plan on making an Instagram story about that. When I hit 65,535 subs, I'm going to make a post about that because I did do a post at 32,768. I did it at 768. So I'll do 65,536 then on Instagram. So I'll probably hit 65,536, I would say in the next 2 weeks, probably at my current rate of growth, which is amazing. Yeah. Is creating open source software kind of like creating content, you think? Anything you do can be turned into creating content. So you can do things on your own, or you can do things like I'm going to make content out of this. So really you can turn anything into content. Let's see. I'm going to mute you. All right, fair enough. Yes, exactly. A nice round number. See, you understand proper round numbers. So yeah, what do we have left here? Was there anything else I needed to do? I think I have everything up here now. I don't know what this foo thing is. You know what I need to finish? Oh man. Eric, it was the restroom readout, but of course it's spelled readout. That was very cute. I love that puzzle from last year. That was one of my favorite puzzles last year. I made like a 3D animation out of like C using Raylib. I need to like make sure it actually compiles. I had some issues with it. I got to pull that code back up because that was fun to really see the part 2 surprise in that puzzle in 3D. It was really cool. I don't know if anyone else has done something like that. Maybe they have. I haven't seen anything on the Reddit like that, but yeah. Let's see. Hey, first time here, loving the 2024 AOC YouTube content. Hey, yo, appreciate it. I'm glad you're checking that out. That's awesome. It took a long time to edit those videos, mostly because I didn't know the process of editing. So I appreciate that people are watching them. It's 3:30 a.m., 3:33 a.m. for me. Came to chat just to give them some love and go back to sleep. Well, good luck. I wish you well. So appreciate you stopping by, and yeah, good luck getting some good sleep. I was glad to hear it's 62 sections and I'm not reading the rest of that. I'm a web dev on Windows, but I find your content fun and intriguing. Yo, appreciate it. Thank you. That's awesome. I suck at low-level code. It's surprising you know C and most of your content is Bash. I like C a lot. C is one of my favorite languages just because of how simple it is. I really like Bash, and I think Rust would probably be up on that list too. I'm a big fan of the Rust programming language. Eric says, I love puzzle visualizations. People make so many cool things. Oh, that's awesome to hear. Yeah, I'm going to go clean up this code. I'll get it ready for like one of my streams this month then. So we can just kind of like take a break and look at that. And yeah, if you're not around, I can upload the video somewhere. I'll tag you on Blue Sky or whatever. Let's see here. Did you hear of a channel, You Suck at Cooking? I had not heard of that channel. My You Suck at Programming name, I was inspired by You Suck at Photoshop. So that's where my inspiration from this name came from. I'm a web developer, so I'm like the mockery of programming. I don't believe in that. Discord. Yes, I do have a Discord. You might be able to do !Discord in the chat. I'll do it for you. And there you go. It'll give you a link to it. So yes, I will, Eric. If I upload that, I will tag you there. Because Bash has my name in it. Nice, Ash. Incredible. Have you tried Zig or Go? I've done a little bit of Go. I know that Zig exists, but that's the only thing I know about him. I just spent the time learning Rust, and I end up doing that a little bit for my day job. So, like, I don't know. I like it. I know some people hate on Rust for some reason, but I like it. I think it's a good language. I also do have the piano set up, so I didn't realize that was coming through my desktop audio, so hopefully it wasn't so annoying when I just, like... Sometimes when I'm thinking, I just kind of play piano, so let me know if that's too loud. I can turn it down. Let's see. I've been getting on board with the Z editor. Yeah, I've heard of that. I've never actually tried that one. You Suck at Cooking is a comedy show about cooking that doesn't take itself seriously. Well, that sounds very similar to what's going on here. Which programming language makes you go, I think you're enjoying that emote a lot. I am happy to hear that. I think Bash is definitely that language, just because it's like so fun, and I love the thing where people are like, Bash can't do that. I'm like, dude, you have no idea what Bash can do, brother. I can make it do some crazy things. What is that? That's a song. I can also do we could pull up the big camera view. You guys ready for this? There we go. Louder? You sure? I'll wait to see if anyone else has louder. Keyboard squared. Yeah, exactly. We got the goated programming keyboard, you know, just the Mac one. I don't really know. I'm not a stickler about any of that stuff. Is it too quiet? You gotta let me know. Do you have a way to recreate or test on a home lab? I was working on a concept with, I do have a home lab, but I do most of that stuff through like VMs and zones on Illumos. Turn it up. You guys let me know if it's too loud. I think you and Dave from Dave's Garage could do a great collab. I don't know who that is, but I'm always down to do a collab, so that'd be fun. Does he do like DIY stuff? Because I do like DIY woodworking stuff too. mess with people, you should have a hidden button that swaps them so the piano keyboard types and the computer keyboard plays the piano. It'd be so much fun. I would love to do a video on, like, you know, unexpected Vim keyboards and just use this keyboard. I don't know what that would look like, but it'd be a ton of fun. The task manager guy. I don't know what that is. Cool fly swatter? Yeah. In one of my videos at the end of it, I put a little blooper reel where I actually had to go kill a fly that was in my house, so that's why that's out. C#5 would delete everything between the inner pair. Yeah, now that makes sense. You have to hit the right chords though. It's like that does something. Is this... Hold on. Is it transposed? No, it's not. I'm just crazy. Something just didn't sound right to me. Let's see. You are too good and genuine to cross paths with the plumber. I don't know who you guys are talking about. Oh, Dave's Garage, Dave Plumber. Is this like a person? I don't know who this is. I'm sorry. Dave's an ex-Microsoft employee who used to work on Windows around the 1009s. He also is responsible for creating Windows Task Manager. Probably need to block links. I probably do need to block links. A lot of people are sending links, and I just don't trust a lot of them. It's this guy. Oh, okay, so the guy actually has like a YouTube channel. Let me let me pull this up. And I was just about to hide the browser, and I realized I'm in the big screen mode, so like it doesn't actually do anything. I need a better way of opening links here because I never know which browser they're gonna open, so I just don't try them. Dave's Garage. I've seen this guy. I know who he is. Yeah, I've seen this guy. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see him on like Twitter. I don't know. I try to use Twitter less and less. It is just all drama. It's like, I feel like it's poisoning my brain just looking at it. Yeah, Eric, let me just go click on that link real quick. That looks legit. Here, I don't want you guys to have to see my beautiful face. There you go. I gotta turn it up a little bit. Oh, it's a fun one. I need to move this over. There we go. Oh, wow. This little thing got stuck underneath there. That's fun. Amazing stream setup. Yo, appreciate it. Thank you. Collab with Gamers Nexus. So funny. I get so many comments from people like, oh my god, it's Gamer Nexus's brother. I'm like, yeah, that's right. Piano is awesome. I'd love to see some integration of the music and programming. It would be very cool, I think. Me too. I just gotta figure out a good way to do it. I'm only here for one reason, Dave, when it comes to piano. Oh, I know why. wish I played what to play. You know what? I need more keyboard space to play that one cool song that everyone plays on like TikTok. I don't think my keyboard's big enough because you have to play like octaves down here. Yeah, there's just no room. There's no keyboard up here. Just ran out of keyboard. I'm gonna keep floating around. Good stuff, Dave. Good luck with the puzzles. Yo, appreciate it, Eric. Thank you for jumping in, and thank you for the puzzles. And have fun tonight. Literally have fun tonight. I know it's gonna suck being on call for this stuff, but have fun floating around the streams and seeing what other people are doing. Like it's awesome. It's got to be so much fun. This has got to feel like Christmas. So enjoy it, man. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Aliases with an auto interpreter. Yeah, you know, audio interpreter. It'd be kind of cool. Like it'd be kind of cool to do something like that. You're incredibly talented. Nice. Very smooth. Yo, appreciate it. Thank you. What a nice thing to say. There's a program to code music. Look up Primogen Music in the thumbnails. The guy multiple time with guitars. I'd have to look that up. I know there was one that people are always posting, like, I think Strudel is the one. I tried using that for an hour, dude. I suck at it. I'm really bad at it. What kind of tea is that? I've been drinking a lot of, oh, wow, a lot of fancy tea. This is a bag of cinnamon bark, and that's it. So straight up just cinnamon. I love it. It's nice at night. It doesn't really do much to me. It just kind of calms me down. It's great. Love the piano. So glad you're streaming today. Reminds me of last year AOC streams. Yeah, well, don't worry. We got this year's AOC stream, so just as good. That's it. Oh, and how's the Christmas decoration coming along? Talking about the puzzles. I'm not sure what you mean. What do you mean puzzles? I'm not sure what you mean. But for my Christmas decorations themselves, I'll be getting a tree probably sometime this week, which will go right here. And then I actually have to go out and like hang up some Christmas lights. That'll be fun. Dave plus whiskey when? Not on these streams. Decorate the Dave cutout, put a hat on him. You know what? Hold on. Yeah, he should be in more videos, honestly. Like, he's sweet. Oh, on the topic of Christmas advent code. Sometimes my English is broken. Yo, all good, man. Yeah, not a problem. I was just confused. I didn't know if there was some like link between like decorate, like, what I was thinking about is when you do the puzzles, it like unlocks this like artwork on the website. So I thought you were talking about like those kind of decorations. But yeah, no, I gotta make this place a little bit more festive than it is. I got some new Christmas lights I'm gonna put on the tree, so it's gonna look beautiful. Hopefully this week. So, yeah, I think I'm pretty much going to probably call the stream here in the next minute or two. So if you have any questions, feel free to get them in right now. If you're watching on Twitch, go ahead and hit that follow button. If you're watching on YouTube, you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I am trying to get 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I am more than halfway there. So that is super cool. Yeah, appreciate you guys stopping in. I think it's super awesome. don't think I could piano while I'm writing actual code, but I can definitely talk and read while I'm playing piano. Like, this takes no mental effort to do. Thanks, man. Can't wait until tomorrow. Yeah, of course. I guess I'll be racing Badcop again. That'll be a ton of fun. So, yeah, I'll race as many as she wants to race. I do want to do some alone, just because it's fun to, like, go through them slowly and hang out with chat and all that stuff. When we're racing, it's kind of hard to do too much chat interaction, which is unfortunate. I like the chat interaction. I think it's a fun part of streaming. Is that like a piano with hammer keys? Oh god, no. This is just the world's crappiest little keyboard here. This is just like a little basic keyboard thing I got on Amazon. I do have an actual piano over there, like a real piano. You can't see it, it's out of frame. And I do have an 88 keys electric one, so piano's my thing, man. That's what I do. Yeah, like this is the highest key I have. Doesn't go any higher than doesn't go down. So yeah, 49 keys. Yeah, so my name is Dave Eddy. If you go to Spotify and type in Dave Eddy, I have music on there. You can go check it out if you wanted to. Here's a cool thing actually. Let me show you. Let me show you guys this thing. I don't think it's gonna work in my terminal. But if you curl the name of one of my latest albums, nightfall.ysap for you suck at programming.sh, it gives you a bash script. It's kind of weird. Let's pipe it to bash. I knew it wasn't going to play. My terminal's too big. Let me pop open a smaller terminal. This might work. Nightfall.ysap.sh gives me a bash script, pipe it to bash. Is this still really too small? All right, we're going manual here. There we go. You can play my album in your terminal. And it's a fully working terminal user interface. Here's my latest album. If I click on a song, it will actually start playing. You guys might be able to hear it. Maybe. It's not me playing, that's the album right there. So if you want to check out my album, you can do it on the terminal. That is very loud. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. A lot of piano stuff on here. There's some like electronic kind of like, yeah, it gets pretty cool. So you can go check this out on Spotify, or you can just like curl it or whatever. Do you have a Bandcamp? Yeah, I think I do. Yes, I do. Yeah, I'm trying to think of how the easiest way to get you to my Bandcamp. I mean, just search for Dave Eddy, it's my name. Control C, and we're done. So, yeah, search for Dave Eddy on Spotify. You can also go to, I always tell people to go to ysap.sh because that's my website, but go to daveeddy.com. This will link you to some of the music stuff. This is more like my personal website. So, yep. All right. I think I'm going to call it here. Thank you everyone for stopping by. Thank you everyone for hanging out in the stream. This was a ton of fun. I got to start streaming more often. I enjoyed this a ton. Let's see. I didn't even know you could play a sound on a terminal. Yeah, it's not a bash only thing. I'm relying on a command called ffplay, which is from ffmpeg. So that's how that's all working. But I have a whole video where I talk about how I wrote that TUI and everything. So yeah, later shoes. Thank you for stopping by. Yeah, and like I said, if you're on YouTube, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because you're legally required to. And yeah, that's it. I'll probably be back tomorrow around the same time to race the next day with Badcop. So thank you everyone for stopping by. Appreciate it. Have a good night, everyone. See ya.